I come from a customer service background and healthcare background, and I feel like it kind of aligned with my values as far as taking care of the customer or person. My name is Shanna, and I'm a product analyst at Catalyte. I'm working for a government agency that is building an app, and I currently design the high fidelity wireframes on Figma. I like that we can build a user experience for customers. I feel like over the years I've built up being able to work with others or tap into like how people might be feeling. I'm kind of like the person in the team that's like, hey, are you okay? I think that comes with time and experience. I never thought that I would be able to get into IT before Catalyte, and it was kind of like this opportunity opened up before me, and they've really given me space to grow in a way that I never imagined that I would have been able to grow.